So, hello guys. Hello Miss Mary May. So, by the way, my name is Cindy and we are group 2. And for today's discussion, we will try to solve the 3 given questions. But before that, let me first introduce to you the members of the group, starting with Bontilao, Lyle, Canice, followed by Bordo, Ely Ful, Castañeda, Dominique, Juegos, Marbano, Meraflor, Jeiryme, and last is Rosal, Arvin. So the covered topics would be simple discount, compound interest, and last is finding time by formula. So let's try to recap first what this means. So for a discount, a discount is a deduction from the final amount or maturity value of a loan or obligation. So here's the formula for a simple discount. Bank discount equals find amount times discount rate times term of discount. So let's proceed to compound interest. So what is compound interest? So compound interest, wherein interest is added to the principal at the end of a certain period of time, after which the interest is computed on the new principal, and this process is repeated until the end of the term of the loan is reached. So here's the formula for compound interest. So I is equals F minus P, or I is equals P times 1 plus I times N minus 1. Another is I is equals P times 1 plus R divided by M times MT minus 1. So for finding time formula, this is the last. So time refers to the term of an investment, or how long will it take a certain sum of money to an amount if it is invested at a certain rate, using the formula from F is equals P times 1 plus I times N. So we can find time by T is equals log times F divided by P. So again, divided by log times 1 plus I, and divided by M. So that's it. So let's proceed to the next discussant, Lyle, Canice, Bontilao.
Hello everyone, my name is Lyle, Bontilao, and I'm here to introduce to you to a problem, and we're also going to solve it. So the first problem will be, how long will it take for the sum of money to double if it is invested to the 18% compounded semi-annually? So since there's no given amount, we will just assume that the given will be, the principal will be the 5,500, the final amount will be the 11,000, and the rate will be the 18%. So for the problem solving, I will introduce to you to my partner.
So our given stated by one of my group mates, P is equals 5,500 and the final amount is 11,000, since the problem stated that the sum of the amount will be double, and the rate will equal to 18% or 0.18. After that, I use the formula log of P F over P divided by log of 1 plus rate over 2. I use 2 since the problem stated that it is a semi-annually, and overall divided by 2, and after that I substitute everything, and the result is 4.02 years.
Good day. So I'm the one to discuss the answer of problem number 2. So the problem is, what sum of money will be required to settle an obligation on April 1, 2009 if the loan is made on April 1, 2007 at rate of 10% compounded quarterly? So the given is 15,000, which is the principal, and the rate is 10%, then convert it to decimal, so it becomes 0.1. Then the time is 2 years, since it is stated in the problem that the loan is made on April 1, 2007 to April 1 to 2009. And the M is for since the conversion period is compounded quarterly. And our formula is final amount equals to principal open parenthesis 1 plus rate over M close parenthesis raised to the power of n times time. Then substitute the given, so final amount equal to 15,000 open parenthesis 1 plus 0.1 over 4 close parenthesis raised to the power 4 times 2. So then let's solve first the rate over time over the conversion period and the raise, which is 4, and to that times the time, which is 2. Then it becomes 15,000 open parenthesis 1 plus 0.025 raised to the power of 8. Then let's solve the 1 plus 0.025. So it becomes 15,000 open parenthesis 1.025 raised to the power of 8. Then let's solve the 1.025 raised to the power of 8. So the answer is 1.218402898. Then let's multiply it to the principal, which is 15,000. So our final answer is 18,276.04 pesos. So that's all.
Problem number 3. What discount rate was charged if the discount for 18,650 pesos was 1,230 pesos at the end of 1 3/4 years? And how much was the amount received? So the given is, we have the discount amount, which is the 1,230 pesos. Final amount is 18,650 pesos times the time, which is the 1 3/4 years. So probably we're going to multiply the 1 3/4 years over 12, since there are 12 months in 1 year. So we will be using the simple interest formula, which is D over F times T.
I'm going to discuss the solution of this problem. So first problem kay gipangita ang discount rate. So ang formula sa rate kay bank discount over final amount times term of discount times 100. So ang D kay 1,230, ang F 18,650, nya ang T kay 1.0625, nya ang answer ni kay 8 times of 100, nya ang makuha ni kay ang makuha answer ni mao na ang weight, which is 6.21%. Then the next is kay gipangita ang amounts received. So ang formula ni kay mao ni ang P equals F minus D. So maning gitawag og present value. Ang F kay 18,650, nya ang D kay 1,230, na i-minus ra ang answer. I-minus lang answer, money ang 17,420 pesos. So mauna ni ang P or ang amount nga na-receive.
You finally finished the discussion, and by the way, I'm Dominique as Castañeda, and I will be citing a short summary of the discussion earlier. In the first problem, the covered topic was finding time by formula, while on the second problem was about the compound interest, and lastly, the third problem was about simple discount. So the question is, how are we going to use this in our daily lives? So nowadays, it's important to be knowledgeable about interest rates, since this is one of the most important aspects of our economic system. They influence the cost of borrowing, the return on savings, and are an important component of the total return of many investments. And moreover, certain interest rates provides insight into future economic and financial market activity. And that is all for today. I will leave a quote here by Paul Hamas. The only way to learn mathematics is do mathematics. Again, we are the group 2, and I thank you for listening.